What's good? It's your boy CT Game Over, and today we're going to talk about portrait photography. Similar to the ones you have on your iPhone, that little setting where the background gets blurry. We're going to talk about that right here with our DSLR cameras, interchangeable lens cameras. For those who always call me and ask me, what kind of camera should I buy? Yes, an interchangeable lens camera, a DSLR camera, a mirrorless camera. If you want to start portrait photography, like I said, the blurry background, the great lighting, you might want to get a portrait lens. I like to start off with the Nifty 50. The Nifty 50 is one of the best ways to start off with the bokeh, the blurry background, the sharp edges on the images. This is the lens that you might want to pick up first. I mean, you got the kit lens. This should be number 2. This should be like the next thing you get just to hop straight into the game. But once you start getting into photography and learning more about what you really want, how you want your photos to look, my camera personally is a full frame camera, so this lens will operate perfectly for me. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to take it out of the box. The lens is lightweight. It is a nice build. It has a smooth focus ring. As you can see, this is a smooth focus ring, and the autofocus definitely works with the Sony. You can add filters. I have filters for mine. I have an ND, a Polar, you know, just in case if I need to shoot, you know, outdoors. I like to kind of adjust things in camera just as much as in post. So I took some photos around the house, and I'm going to show you guys right now so you can see what the 50mm does. I just took some photos of some everyday products that I use, like my wave grease, as you guys see me brushing my hair earlier. I also took a picture of my deodorant, or my travel deodorant, the one that goes into my camera bag, because it's kind of hot out here in Miami. And of course, the milk I drink and eat my cereal with. The 50mm is great for product shoots. As you can see, these are all products. I have no humans in there. But tomorrow I will be shooting with the same lens, the 50mm lens, with human subjects, so you guys can see exactly what I mean with the sharpness. Oh my God, it's going to be so amazing. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.